Okay, this is how to adjust the contrast and brightness in the magnifying glass. Once you're in magnifying glass mode, you can hit this little three-circle thing up here in the top. If you're holding it in landscape mode, it's this one up at the top. It changes your options to a brightness slider, and it changes this slider, and this slider is the contrast slider. Up for more contrast, down for less. So these are really handy because sometimes it really adjusts the filter trying to focus in on what you're trying to magnify. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it like that, and then I'm going to hit the three circles again that are lit up to go back to the normal thing. I'm going to touch the screen to try and lock focus on that. Hold it as still as possible. Take a snapshot. Zoom in. See how it worked. Looks like it worked pretty well. Let me go ahead and adjust the contrast again. You can even adjust it with the snapshot that you just took. So we'll go ahead and increase the contrast some more. Very nice. Hit the button at the top again to go back to the normal view. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have any video requests, leave a comment below. If you are interested in further iPhone support, you can take a private iPhone lesson or online courses at smartphonelearningzone.com. Thanks.